Hello little learners. Today we are going to learn counting from 1 to 10. 1. Count the object 1. 2. Count the objects 1 and 2. 3. 1, 2 and 3. Next number 4. Count the objects 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5. Count the objects 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Next number 6. Count the objects 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 7. Count the objects 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Next number 8. Count the objects 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 9. Count the objects 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Next number 10. Count the objects 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. If this video is useful for you, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye learners.